What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's Alex over here, and this is actually a product review video because Same Stop sent me a chest mount harness for a GoPro or Omni, or basically an action camera, and I can't wait to unwrap it and tell you all about it. So before we start, please subscribe. I'll link it in the description below. It's only like $19, and I think it's gonna be a great product to make great video clips if you like to do mountain biking, and of course you can use them for walking or whatever like that. But let's go ahead and check it out and see how it is. So this is the box that comes in. Is the version 2.0, and the brand is Same Stop. Again, I'll link it in the description below. And once you open it, you get right into the point. So nothing else. And it even comes with hardware for a GoPro or whatever accessory you're gonna use it with. And I think that's pretty neat too. I wasn't expecting to have this in the packet, and it's also Same Stop branded. And what I like about this one is that it's very similar to the actual GoPro one. It locks it into place, and this is very stable if you compare to the ones from the GoPros. This is the actual GoPro one, and it's basically the exact same thing. This is my session 5. I have different ones. The newest one I have is the 9, and that's only because I didn't want to buy another one. And it comes with instructions and everything that you can think of. So right off the bat, this is the way it looks. It is supposed to go like that, and what I like about this is that it seems to be really well padded, not compared to the other one that I have. And it's of course gonna be adjustable, and it looks like it has a quick release right here that you just press those, clips out, clips back in. So it should be really easy setup. All right, another thing that I like right away is the knob right here. It has a really grippy knob. Well, not grippy, well, it's longer. It extends past the GoPro camera, so you can actually tighten up really good. And I like to have it like this, just like this. And what I have noticed about this rubber thing right there is that it actually prevents a little bit of the rattling that can happen. Because I have some other clips that don't have this rubber thing, and it rattles a little bit, and this is just gonna prevent it, just like the original GoPro one. So I'm already liking it. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on, see how it looks, and I think it's gonna be way more comfortable than the other one because the padding right here is really good. It's breathable, as you can see, so it's gonna not be too hot. So yeah, it has adjustment over here as well, so you can go ahead and adjust it as you please on both sides. But it does feel really comfortable. The material quality is really great, and I will give this, for the price of $20, I will actually give it a 10 out of 10. I will highly recommend it. I will go ahead and put the link on the description below, and I'm gonna show you just a quick clip of what you can actually do on this camera. Of course, it's gonna vary by your terrain and your riding style, but this is basically what I use whenever I go ahead and record on the trails. So overall, I think this is a great product. I will go ahead and highly recommend it. Go ahead and check it in the description below, and I guess I will do some clips later on for my future videos using this chesty mount, and I guess I will see you on the trails. Let's ride. Goodbye.